everybody, you're doing laundry, you can come and sit somewhere there and wait. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait because I have laundry over here, and I saw it was saying 10 minutes. Yeah, it's now 8 minutes. Guys, can you see that? It's 8 minutes, and this one has 15 minutes. It really does a good job. You see what I'm talking about, guys? So let's go see the other ones. They should be finishing anytime. So both of these are mine. They are all $6 something, $6.75. They are pretty huge, like so huge. So that's kind of cool. You can do all your stuff, or you can do little by little if you have